This 25 key MIDI controller keyboard comes with the Cubase LE software. You'll get a license for that. That is valued at $99. That is a digital audio workstation, or DAW for short, and it's included. This is fully compatible with many other digital audio workstations like Ableton Live, Logic Pro, Pro Tools, Studio One, and many others. The keyboard is compatible with Macs and Windows machines. There's 25 keys, as I mentioned. These are semi-weighted keys. One of the great things about MIDI keyboards like this is you can put so many different voices over the keys with the software. This is a grand piano. Here's something a little more funky. Here's an electric piano. Here's the fun startup sequence with a cool light show. Using the drum pads are always a fun time. They do light up when you hit them, and they are velocity sensitive. In addition to the sound pads being programmable, the 8 knobs are also fully programmable, and it has everything that you would need, like the pitch wheel, the modulation wheel. The pitch wheel, as you would expect, snaps back up to the middle position, and you can bend the sound. Let me show you that. That's so funky, I love it. Other standard features, you can go down an octave, up an octave. Now I have this connected to this iPad with a third-party adapter. Overall, this is a solid piece of gear, and I'm sure you'll be able to make awesome music with this 25 key MIDI controller keyboard.